Creating a new account. There are three ways to create a new account. Two of them are into the contact browser, and these are new contact to new account and selected contact to new account. Both options will open a form where the account information have to be filled, and also both options will make a link between the new account and a contact, in this case a selected contact. The third way to create an account is direct on the account browser by clicking the new account. Here we have to fill all the mandatory information like account name, zip code, city, and account type, and of course all the rest of the necessary information. We save it and we can see it into the account browser. Here we can notice that the number of contacts, it's 0 because there is no contact related to this new account. To create a contact also for this one, we have to go back into the contact browser and either choose new contact to existing account or selected contact to existing account. We look for the new account created, and in this case we have only to fill all the rest of the mandatory fields like the territory workplace link, and save the information. A new workplace is automatically generated. And now if we go back to the account browser, we can see that one contact is assigned to the new account.